looking at the lab.
First of all, I'm not even tired. Okay? In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party! A hot dog party! A hot dog party! What do you say? Hot dog party! No. Oh, I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on. What's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? Poof. It's gone.
The pigeon's mistake.
What? What? I'm not naughty not. You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars.
What the fuck?
Can I have a glass of water? No! Studies show that pigeons
There's the pigeon.
hardly need any sleep at all.
Halfway there.
Saw that on the internet. Hey, ho, ho! This here pigeon just won't go. Hey, ho, ho! This here pigeon just won't go.
No!
It's the middle of the day. In China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Oh, wait. My bunny wants to stay up late too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you?
What the fuck?
Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm 110% awake. You haven't heard the rest of me. Great work.